The Wisconsin legislature, therefore, in my view, not just up until January 6th or inauguration, but today as well, has the ability to look at the assessment and say, you know, our election was illegally certified. The consequences of that, we can fight about. Florida legislature did the same thing in 2000. When the Florida Supreme Court decided to unilaterally alter their election law and was going to try and throw that election opposite of what had happened, I was retained by the Florida legislature to help them craft legislation that would reclaim their authority to decide the electors. The House and the Senate, or the Assembly and the Senate, I forget what they call it down there, both passed that bill out of committee. It was scheduled for floor vote the week the Supreme Court decided Bush versus Gore. So what we're asking here is not something that has not been done before. What we are asking is for the legislature to assume the power that the Constitution gives to them. And if that requires that they be called back into extraordinary session, as there is no doubt that they have the authority to do, then they should do that. Now, they can't pass a set of bills for state elections without the governor's signature. But if they want to pass a resolution saying our election was illegally certified, that federal election was illegally certified, there's no power in the state other than the legislatures that can stop that. Now, that just seems odd to us because we've gotten into this notion that, well, judicial supremacy, well, I can't do it without asking the court's permission. I'm sorry, you know, there are some things that the Constitution makes you the last stop.
Yes.
And this is one of them.
Yes.
When you do an impeachment and it gets tried over in the Senate, there was a lawsuit years ago. Somebody said, oh, I'm not allowed to call witnesses. The Supreme Court said, we got nothing to say about it because the Constitution assigns the last stop on that process to the Senate. On this process, the last stop is the state legislature. And if they're not going to exercise the power that we the people gave to them, then we need to find people who will.
Amen.